Okay, I want to show you one other thing with FET, and if you follow along with this video, you could think about the difference between light bulbs in series and light bulbs in parallel. And I first set up a series circuit just with the battery. Right now it's 10.5 volts. It doesn't really matter for our purposes. I'll make it 15 volts. Hopefully it doesn't set the circuit on fire. And then all of the light bulbs right now have equal 10 ohm resistances. And I switched to conventional current. I just have my, real drawings on, not the schematic, because the light bulbs look a little strange in the schematic. They kind of look like LED light bulbs, but these are fine. If I close the switch, you could start to see the conventional current flow. And if you look at all of the light bulbs, they all have equal brightness, and you could see the flow of the charges around the circuit. If I increase that voltage, you can see the current definitely picks up, and the brightness of the bulb picks up as well. So you could think about, well, power. Can I write on this? Come on. Power is going to be equal to the current times the voltage. I just increased the voltage, so I gave a little more voltage to each bulb, and we definitely increased the current. So the power, the brightness went up. Okay, let me go back to reducing the voltage of the battery to, we had it at, I guess, 15. And then I could change the resistances of each bulb. So think about the relationship between power, current, and resistance in a series circuit. So P equals I squared R. So we know this is series, current is constant everywhere. So the current will be the same for each bulb. But if I change the resistance, like let's make this one, doesn't even matter, 25 ohms, okay? We'll make this one, we'll try to reduce this to, let's say, 5 ohms. And we'll make this one like, sure, 34.5 ohms. Okay, so 34.5 ohms, it's indicating that it has the most light coming off of it. Those yellow lines there are showing the light. This is the one with the smallest resistance, 5 ohms, and it's the dimmest bulb. And then we have a 25 ohm resistor. It's in between. It's the middle brightness. Okay, and we can make them brighter by increasing the voltage. That would increase the current as well. But still, the relationship with resistance for a series circuit holds true, where we have a direct relationship with resistance, and the brightest bulb has the greatest resistance, and the one with the least resistance has the lowest power. Okay, and I could delete this whole thing and do a parallel setup now, and you could see how this changes.